This is the world's most grippiest phone case, the Dbrand grip case for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Let's unbox and review this luxury masterpiece. The packaging is what I love the most about this Dbrand phone case. Highly minimalistic and subtly plain, it unfolds like a book and flips like a luxury jewelry box. Opening, you are greeted with every piece in the box, the fine white fiber cloth with a brand print on it. Then the matte grip case, which is tested and thinner at 2mm. The brand doesn't kid with its meticulous branding. This is incredibly built to last well. There is also the white something skin. The highly pieced together something skin unravels the inside and details of the iPhone 15 Pro Max. You can see the massive charging coils and design. This is very neat. Now, let's install the something skin on the actual grip case. Wipe the case a bit with a fiber cloth. Then peel the back strip off. This needs to be done carefully because it is sticky, and then because that it has adhesive, and so it will stick to the back naturally if you do it. Now align the camera cutout so it doesn't affect the lenses. Use the fiber cloth to hardly firm it. Peel and stick the something skin to the back of the grip case to stick firmly. This requires that you use the fiber cloth to firmly make sure that it's permanently stuck to the back of the case. Now let's fit the iPhone 15 Pro Max into it. The case has chamfered lip and crescent arc that protect the camera bump, and so there's no need to worry about denting the camera lenses. The sides are grippy and has full robotically machined military grade impact resistance, so you don't need to worry about it landing on the ground. For a phone case, this is quite expensive to buy. Its boldness, flattering build quality, and lifelong protection makes it a mastercraft to buy. This is Abeku. See you in the next video.